Many girls dream of having a beautiful and cute kitchen. For cooking for loved ones, therefore, we have compiled a collection of cute kitchen decorating ideas. Sweet pastel colors for girls who want to cook together come in to collect ideas to decorate the kitchen. Can be applied to decorate both style and color to match the style that you and your family like. If you enjoy exploring creative home designs and decor ideas, would be thrilled if you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your support means the world to me as I continue to share inspiring content with fellow home enthusiasts like you.